This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 360 FLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 39 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 8, leveling jacks, oven, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, awning, smoke detector, refrigerator, LP detector, air conditioning, microwave, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 360 FLS is 12,388 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.